Bawat pangarap may katuparan, bawat pag-asa may magaganap.
Greetings to everyone! Kumusta kayo lahat? Welcome back to my channel, Cherry Selenas. Ang video na ito ay pagpapakita ng mga guro sa short cheering up for women's in celebration for National Women's Month sa buwan ng Marso. To become happier, they cheered up at the mention of their grade level. Cheer up, things will get better. Ito ngayon ang mga kasamahan kong guro. Nag-hi-hi sila. Hello, hello, hello there. Yan ang mga pretty teachers ng grade 2 and 3. We are still waiting for the time to prepare our cheer up, short cheer up for every grade level. I-present namin sa stage ang short cheer up song for women's. This is one way of empowering women. May kasabihan, a strong woman knows she has strength enough for the journey, but a woman of strength knows it is in the journey where she will become strong. Ito na ngayon ang mga short cheer songs for women.
Dalagang Pilipina yan. Dalagang Pilipina yan. Dalagang Pilipina yan. We will rock you. Happy Women's Month. Thank you, Ma'am Dean. Thank you very for teachers. Okay. Ma'am, kanang sila, Ma'am, tugayin na naman mga ako. Okay, grade 6. Magdalena. Okay. I think that's all. And good morning, everyone.
Okay, salamat.
is the sign of social freedom.